Nah, I don't do all that. I don't do none of that. All right, so yesterday y'all had an assignment where you had to find the value of X. I think there was only like 4 questions that we had to cover yet. So I'll ask you guys, which one do y'all want to talk about first? Number 5. I'm going straight down to the money. Okay, so before we even start this party, right? The first thing that we should notice or note to the side is if I have a straight line, right? Everything here is going to equal the degree of the straight line. What's the degree of every straight line? 180. 180. So you know all of this got to equal 180 degrees. They gave us a few things, so we can use that. So here, the first thing that they gave us was JOL, or JOK, and they told us that was 4x degrees. So we already know that we got a 4x here, right? What else did they give us? They gave us LOM here, and they said LOM was what? Angle LOM was how much?
68.
68. So you know that you have 4x plus 68. What else did they give us?
100. KOL.
They also gave us KOL. This one's here. So the degree from KOL was what? 100. Set everything up. 4x plus 68 equals 180. Any questions? All right, so let me try to pause for it. Oh, they didn't?
Yes, 5 and 6 gone.
Don't worry. So the bottom of them, y'all didn't. You only got like the top part. Okay, we'll finish this one, but if your paper got cut off on the bottom, it's okay. Don't worry about 5 and 6. I'm gonna just show you how to do it so that you can know how to do the next ones, because you're gonna get similar to this for tonight on homework. Do me a favor. Can we remember 4x plus 68 plus 100? Because I got to switch the screen. All right, thank you. All right, so we said that angle was 4x plus 68 plus 100, and it all had to equal up to 180 degrees. So the first thing you should have did was what? First word C, second word L, last word T?
Combined like terms.
What are my like terms?
68 and 100.
68 and 100. When you bring those together, you should get you 168. Remember, that's going to be set to 100. Bring down your 4x, right? And then I do what on both sides? I like it. Come on, I heard it. Subtract $168 from each side. When you do that, these cancel, giving you 4x. 180 minus 168 should be what? 12. Give me 12, and then I divide both sides by 4, making x equal 3. But you're not done yet. They want, you know that x equals 3. Hold on. Come on. You know that x equals 3. Hey, what's up? You left something?
No. Can we use your markers?
What marker?
Like the dry erase markers?
Oh, you gonna use a couple?
Yeah. I'll bring it back, the box.
You better, because I know where you go to school at. Oh, no, I ain't got a class set for y'all.
No, not a whole class. It's very small people.
That's what I can give y'all without, y'all not about to use up all my markers. Word. So we got x equaling 3, right? So we need to figure out, if we know that x equals 3, going back to our sheet. Now we said x equals 3, right? Down here. So go ahead and put in that x equals 3. So now what is the measurement of JOL? If you plug in x for 3, what should you get? Remember, this should be 4 times 3 for JOL. My answer should be what? 12 degrees. All right, 12 degrees. Let's cover one that y'all did that didn't cut off. One of those up top. Because you're about to get 6 questions again for homework. Number 2. Numero dos, check your paper. When we done with this one, y'all can turn this one in. kind of that's little class exercise. We're still working on the grade book, so it'll be opened up pretty soon. And y'all start seeing those grades start to file in there. We on number 2, we say? Is that what y'all asked for? Okay. All right. Looking at number 2. They gave me angle ROS is what? X minus 22. I know I gotta add that. What did they give me?
16.
They gave me 16 for POQ. So if you go ahead on your paper and mark 16 for angle POQ, so X minus 22 plus 16, and what do we need to find? This one, correct? Well, they gave us something here. Hold on, time out. I just seen that. What is the measurement for ROQ? 130. ROQ. ROQ. So ROQ. And all of this has got to be set to equal what?
180.
180. Same as last time. What do you do first?
Combine like
Like terms, giving me 16 and 130 make what?
146.
146 equals 180. Hold on, let me go to the next sheet because I'm running out. Oh, I can do it over here. Hold on, let me get to the next one. X minus 22 plus 146. X minus 22 plus 146. X minus 22. What was that? X minus 22 plus. Dang.
146.
My memory is shot. Clearly, you see that because you just beat me. Plus 46? 146. Thank you, y'all. Don't get old. Now, do what on both sides, huh? Yeah. Simple algebra at this point. These cancel. You got your X minus 22. 140 from 146 make what? Hey, now I like how you talking. Come on. That's that quick math. And then I do what on both sides to get the X by itself? What?
Oh, wait.
Plus 22.
Add 22.
Add 22. That's going to make these cancel. Giving me X is equal to what? 50 what? So your X is 56. So our X, we said, was 56. And then plug the 56 back into the X value. 56 minus 22 make what? 30 what?
34.
34. There you got it, y'all. Any questions? That's fine. That's why we got that. And anytime you don't understand, check the page because I probably did it already with another class.
Wait, you counted the wrong angle.
I counted the one what?
You counted ROS, but we're supposed to count QOS.
Oh.
They want Q. Oh, they want the entire one.
Yeah.
Got you. Sorry. Thank you for noticing that. So all we do is, what we got here is this is now 34, right? And since you said that they were asking for QOS right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
They want this. So we got the two numbers that you want to add there. What two numbers are you adding? 130 and 130 and 34, making my answer what? 164. Good eye on that. Remember, I'm glad he caught that. Remember the intent, the money is in the details, so you gotta pay close attention. Even I make mistakes at this big age.
Wait, I have a question.
I got an answer.
Can I just like, if it's asking me to find QoS, that's almost the whole line. I could just subtract 180 with 16.
You got multiple ways to get there. Yep, if that works for you. Yeah, you could have just went 180 minus 16. You want to see number one? No problemo. We got no time. That's fine. We got no time. Okay. Looking at number one, correct? They gave me angle. Let me do this. Let me color coordinate it. So COE, right here, this entire one is equal to 84. And then BOC here is 74. And then take a look so y'all don't get confused when y'all see this tonight. In between this 84, you've got a COD, little Call of Duty. And this one here is 38. They want the measurement of AOD. I like that. So what don't we need? There's one that you don't need. No, you need the 38. If I put all of these and set them equal to one equation and set them, so I should go 84 plus 74 plus the 38. You don't need the entire 84 because we're looking for this one. AOD. Do y'all see that? We're looking for this here, which is not the entire 84. But how much of the 84 are we going to use? Look at it. Which side is shaded?
38.
The 38. You want everything here in green, so you're going to add 38 plus 74 plus x plus 20, and you're going to set it equal to what?
180.
180. And then that's going to give us this end here. Or I'm thinking that's going to give us everything here in green, AOD. So let me write it up here first, and then transfer it. So we need this x plus 20 plus, I hate that I did it this way. What else am I adding? X, remember I got this here in the green, x plus 20 plus what?
38.
Now before that, 74 plus what else? The 38. Yep, and then all of that's got to equal 180. Hold on, remember that because I got to flip it. Remember the 74 and the 38. I think I can remember the x plus 20. I think. All right, what was the other two numbers? X plus 20 and what? 74 and 38. And it's all got to be equaling up to 180. My like terms I combine, 74 and 38. That should make 112. Bring down the x20. Set it to 180. You'll then subtract both sides by 112. Those are canceled, giving you x plus 20 is equal to 180 minus 112. Let's see if that was 110, that was 170, so 68. 68.
No, it's 60. Oh wait, no, it's 60.
Just 68, just straight up 68. And then we subtract these here. X 68 minus 20 is going to make x equal to 48. You take the x equal 48, plug it into the angle that you need here. That's going to make this one what? 68. So we can take this, transfer it over to the next screen. Dog, I forgot just that quick. Bad. Dementia set me. 48. X is 48. Okay, I can remember that. There we go. So now we just said that X was 48. So now angle AOD equals how much? What numbers are you going to add up? Remember, you want to plug in the X here. So the X plus 20 made this what? This angle here is what? 68. So you should be adding 68 plus 74 plus 38. 68, 74, 38, 12, 20, carry the 2, 8, 15, 8, 15, 180. There's your 180. Whoa, wait a minute. That can't be right.
Wait, what? I think which one are you doing?
That can't be right.
One. You do one.
Where did I mess up at?
I think you make
12,
Actually, 2.
0, 8, 15, 18. Something's not right here.
How did you get X48?
Because X is not 48, X is really 68. Remember we just plugged it in here? Hold on, we got an error here. We got an error here.
No, the problem is X is not 68. X is
X is 2.
2.
No, I see where you messed up. Instead of putting 84, you put 38.
Think about it, look.
You can't do 84.
No, it is.
Oh shoot, they want COE. It's 84. Hold on, I'm gonna find it. BOC. BOC 74. And then COD 38.
The X is 2. No, 48.
It's 2. Why is it 2, baby?
I know why we messed, I know where we messed this up at. I see where we messed this up. Wow, I gotta start this one all the way over. Well, not really. The error that was made, it was that we figured out, remember this entire area was 84 and we chopped this in half and made this 38? The simple error that was made was we could just easily figure out 84 minus 38 make what? Which was our, no, I think 84, hold on, 84 minus 38 is 4, it should be 46. Yeah, it is. So, remember, our X, 46, 38, 84, 74, and so therefore, when we go back in, we have to take this X out because we already have the 46 that was over here, so I kind of misplaced it. Are y'all understanding? Are y'all seeing where I made my error? Who does not see where I made the error? So I can explain it. All right. Here in the red, they gave us 84 for this entire angle for COE. See how COE here to here, this entire thing was 84. But you see how we got a bisector here, something that's splitting it a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
So when you got BOC, that made 74, that's there. And then COD here in the pink, which was a piece of this angle, here in the pink was 38. So therefore, remember that split this in the middle. So we should have went 84 minus 38 to get this area here. Does that make sense to you now? This entire area is 84. With me? They gave you in the green, in the pink there, they gave you COD, which this part of the 84 is 38. So what is this part? It's got to be 46. You understand that? All right. Well, let me show you. This is another way. Like,
I got it.
you do? Okay. So when we got it, let me just erase all of this. You don't have an eraser. Yikes. Yikes. Okay. So.
No, to erase it, you have to like.
Yeah, I don't like that though. No, I got an idea. Watch this. Do it this way.
No, you can erase it.
No, there's no like erase. It's a back button. I don't see the eraser.
No, you can erase it like if you put your hand like that.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, we lady. My man. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So now to restart this here, this one's here, this is wrong. And this is wrong. So to solve this, you should have x plus 20 plus 74 plus 84 got to equal 180. I think that's it. So the 74 plus the 84, x plus 20 plus 74 plus 84, that's it. So now let's work that one. X plus 20, x plus 20, 74, 84. X plus 20, 74. That was the problem. You see, we added 38 and should have been 84. Got to be equal to 180. I know, right? So 74 and 84 made what? There we go. 158. Equaling 180. There's how we're going to get the x equaling 2. That's how we'll get it to equal 2. Because now we'll have it as x plus 20. 180 minus 58, I think that's the 22?
122.
No, just 22. And then you subtract 20 from both sides, and that's how we get the 2. X equals 2. So then when you plug in x is 2, plug that, take it back into this one. It was, you're right, I just had to get to
And
it.
then 142.
No, this should be 22.
Oh, the other one.
And then that's how we get our x is 2, making angle AOD
142.
22.
Oh, 22.
Yeah. Fix it now on your paper. That's why we do it. So you can fix it. Now I'm gonna collect this and we're gonna call this a classwork. I'm gonna get this as a class grade because we just did the entire sheet. So what's gonna happen is you can use this video at home to guide you. I'm about to give you a second one. It's gonna be a little bit more challenging though. I promise you that's what you got going with this. You can start it now though. Listen.
Mr. Winter,
CCR.
are you sure that I think you're confusing AOD with AOD. It's fine.
Oh my God! He's right.
Oh yeah.
So it's 22 plus, they want AOD, 22 plus 74 plus 38. Because this was 22, which is fine, plus the 74 plus the 38. That's going to give us this here. And you see that? All the numbers we have for this.
142.
And there's your, well, not 142, but
Oh.
close. It's going to be 4, carry the 1, 3, 10, 134. And then 134 plus 46, that's how you get to 180. My God. Thank you again. That's twice. Man. Yeah.
Can you show number 6 for a second?
6?
Yeah.
Number 6 on the bottom?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Can you just do everything on the
We just did. You about to do number 6. Did you ask me for it? No. No.
Hey, pero la mamá.
You being mean. Which one you want, 3 or 4? Both. Greedy?
Are you being greedy with my name?
Ooh, he is sneaky. Let me see, I got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 25. All right, number 6. Oh yeah. All right, I'm going to erase all of this. You should already have it down, and like I said, you can replay it. Yeah, it'll be up to you. All right, so AOC here in the red. Let me slow myself down. Number 6. We covering number 6, y'all in the back. AOC was 123. DOE, the Department of Education. From DOE, we have 29. Ah, got it. Then we have angle BOC of that 123. So just from here to here, of that 123, this is 105. We can easily figure this one out. So to solve this, what do they want? BOD? Which one is BOD? From BOD. They want the 105. Okay. Yeah, I know. I'm just doing this for you so you can know how to do it when you get number 6 tonight. Those didn't cut off. So with the AOC, this entire length was 123. But of that 123, you see only of that, we got 105, right? So what would this space here be? What would AOB end up being? 18. Do y'all see that? This, maybe I should have put it out here like that. This 18 plus 105 makes this entire 123. Is there anybody that's lost?
Yes.
Where at?
Where did we get the 18?
Okay. So remember, this entire angle AOC from here to here is 123. This entire thing is 123. A piece of it, BOC, is only what? So what would the less? There's your 18. That's your AOB. They didn't give it to us, I just put it in there. So now we're gonna have to solve for the X, which will set everything to 100. So what you can do is go 123 plus 30 minus X plus 29. You see that? Let me show you what I mean. If we know this whole thing is set to 180, you want to take your entire 123. You want to add that to what? And then the last part, got it. And all of that should be set to 180. The first thing we're gonna do is get the X. We're gonna solve for X, and then we're gonna plug the X in to get this angle. And then all of these will add up to 180. So hold on, I gotta flip the screen. Remember 123 and 29 for me. Oh my God, I'm old. What was those numbers? 123 plus what? 29, and then what was that other one? Clearly, I'm gonna combine 123 and 29. Then bring down your x minus 30. These are gonna subtract. That cancels. This is where you have 30 minus x. Are you understanding all of the algebra part, right? Yeah. All right. And then 180 minus 152 was that 28? Okay, so then you want to subtract 30 from both sides. Hold on, don't get confused when you see this. The 30s is canceled. It's going to make negative x equals negative 2. And we'll divide by the negative 1 on both sides. X is equal to 2. So you know x is equal to 2. Yeah, in the back. Plug it back in. You should have that other angle equaling 28.
Isn't it easier to do like that?
Yeah, you can have multiple ways.
Aren't these equations always an absolute value?
Huh?
Aren't these equations an absolute value? Because no like degree or something can't be negative.
Well, that's why I divided both sides by the negative 1.
Yeah.
And it made it positive. So here, x was 2. And then, so b, hold on. Hello? So they wanted BOD, right? They just wanted from BOD. So from B to C is 123. You're supposed to add the 2 in here for x. What does this become if I go 30 minus 2? 28. So what is 123 plus 28?
151.
151. Leaving your last part, the 29, and that's how you'll get your 180. That was a good session, y'all.
How did you get 151?
I think you added 123
You-
instead of
yeah, you
105.
I messed up again?
Yes.
Where at?
You have to add 105 and 28, not 123 and 28.
Oh my God. Thank you again. 105. No. What are they asking us for? Oh, BOD. Yeah, you're right. Jesus Christ. 105 plus 28. That's what that is.
133.
133. Goodness gracious. 3 times a day. I done lost in matching pair. And I done caught 3 errors. Happens. Let me double check my answer. 133. Yeah, because the 18, then you throw that on there too. Yes. Yeah, just make sure you take a pass. Any questions on that game? Like that. So before you leave or when you leave, just drop your homework here in this bin. And you call it in class, we use it as our class notes.
So what you say, A day or B day?
I think it's A.
No, that's B day.
No.
A day was yesterday.
I think it's D day then.
But A day was yesterday.
Don't ask me, I've been off all morning. I've been off all morning.
Yeah, that's B day.